I'm Dr. Pepper.
And I'm Roxy Pepper.
Hey Roxy, by my shirt, can you tell what we're doing today?
I get it now. We are doing Fruity Lucky Charms cereal.
Fruity! Look, you blocked yourself. So these are, here's Lucky wearing his green attire. Lucky.
I'm Lucky right here. How this be? Got some green.
Roxy, that's blue. Anyways, this is a brand new product. You know, it doesn't say brand new product. I've never seen it before, have you?
No, so it's new.
It's new to us. So here's Fruity Lucky Charms. They are your typical marshmallows
with unicorn.
And unicorn. But it also, all the fruit looks pink. Are we having problems, Roxy?
Yes, you people put it there. To the people.
It's where the camera is. I can't help it. All right, are you ready for the big unveil? Ready?
Wow.
Wow, that's a lot of cereal. And look, all the marshmallows are close to the top.
Look.
That's always a good sign.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, they're trying to cheat us on the bottom.
No marshmallows. No marshmallows. All right, so
It looks like that shows like the Halloween cereal. What is it, like Fruity Brain something?
Frankenberry.
Frankenberry, yeah.
Fruity Frankenberry. All right. So.
It's like the exact color of that.
Are you ready?
Smells fruity.
It smells okay. Yeah, I guess we should probably pour these in bowls. I don't know where else to go with this. Alright, a little for you, a little for me.
My cup.
Alright, so let's set that aside.
Hey, it matches my bowl.
Aww. My unicorn?
Where's it?
No horn. It's just a horse.
Oh.
I have a horse head in my cereal. Alright, so first we're gonna try it dry.
This is honestly my favorite, like, marshmallow ever.
What is that? Is that the hat?
It's the hat.
Ah, I like that.
Because it's a big one.
Alright, so, does it bother anybody else that this Lucky Charms has always been in the shape of, like, cat food pieces? Look, it's like, look,
Yeah.
fish and X's and O's. Lucky Charms is, the regular pieces always are in the shape of cat food. It's kind of weird. What are you doing? We're gonna taste this. Seriously, no marshmallow. You gotta taste the fruit.
Okay, fine.
Doink.
Tastes good. I guess better than the regular. Doesn't taste like fruit.
No, it does not taste like fruit. It
But it
tastes
does taste sweet.
just sweet.
I like it though.
It's not bad.
It's not.
Great.
I kind of like it.
You kind of like it. Is it better than regular Lucky Charms? I forgot what we were eating.
Yes, it's actually better than the regular Lucky Charms. Because I normally hate this part than the marshmallows. Of course, every kid does not like the cat food. But this makes me want to eat this better.
Alright,
Without the
so...
milk.
Well, we're going to put a little milk on it. Because you can't have a cereal taste test
Okay.
without the milk.
Hold on. Big marshmallow.
Alright, and...
Wait!
What?
The marshmallow tastes fruity.
I think the marshmallow tastes like marshmallow. No? Alright.
I like
So let's just
mine
try just the
really-
cereal first. Can you get just the cereal?
Boom.
Alright, cereal with milk. Doink!
Wait. You get the fruit flavor once you get into this milk. Just like Fruit Loops now.
Mm.
Ooh.
It's
Air
okay.
freshener.
It's a little air freshener-y. Very chemically.
Taste the marshmallow now.
Just a marshmallow. What if I eat a rainbow? Does the rainbow taste a bit different than a hat?
Taste the rainbow.
Doink. Tastes like marshmallow.
Well, there goes that.
Alright, let's try it with a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Look, I'm dripping milk. Doink. Oh no, it's okay.
I like it.
Compared to regular Lucky Charms,
I like this more.
you like the s'more.
I like the s'more.
The s'more.
You
No,
said the s'more.
you like this more.
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry.
I think it's equal. I would not go out of my way to buy fruity
I
Lucky
like
Charms. You like it?
Yeah.
Well, good.
It tastes. I would actually eat like the cereal part better without the milk and everything. You know?
Just the dry cereal.
Yeah.
As a snack.
Yeah. Like, who doesn't eat cereal like a snack?
We all do. Well, our house does. We eat a lot of cereal, just random snacks.
Yeah, to tide us over. Cause yeah, my throat's
Alright, so, you want to tell them something?
Yes. I mean, no. I don't know what that means.
I'm me, and I'm me. Thanks for watching us.
I mean. Share with your friends, enemies, special boys, and spicy girls.
Alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching.